podcast rate, because this is really nice to have these kind of open conversations between patients that they can ask whatever they want to know.
And Gaia are our headline sponsor. So go and chat to them. If you're looking for funding options to help you with your IVF treatment, then they're the best place to go and have a chat. They've got some really, really interesting ways to fund your treatment.
It's very, very different than getting a loan from a bank. It works by us predicting the probability of you having a live birth. Then it allows us for you to be on a journey where you pay a fraction of the cost up front, and if you have a live birth, you pay back monthly, and if you don't have a live birth, you don't pay anything back to us.
We have our ovarian reserve. Is there anything before we start on the IVF journey that we can do to increase the quality of it? We're fixed with the number of eggs. So in our 40s, what has changed and what can we do to improve it?
That is a question I answer in my practice on a daily basis. What can I do to increase the number of my eggs? What can I do to increase the quality of my eggs? When it comes to number, we need to be aware of the finite aspect of the fact that we don't produce more. There are certain mild interventions one can apply to try and very temporarily increase the number of eggs marginally. So what's out there in the global or the UK market? Certain nutritional supplements have been shown to very mildly increase outcome and for a temporary basis.
For us being here enables us to deal with all of those people that want to come and listen to people like us to talk about surrogacy and infertility.
Just got to get it signed, get that form signed, get in, get the treatment. And the counsellor's sitting there talking to you, and I remember her going, but do you realise the implications? Do you realise how it will impact you? And we're going, yeah. Because you're so excited about starting that journey. That is the most important part of your journey. Once you've made that decision of your path, that appointment is where you both, or all of you, whoever you're there with, go through and you discuss.
Someone would have asked me, say 4 years ago, when I was in the middle of my IVF journey, actually, here's some information about adoption that I could have took away and read and thought, if I have another failed round of IVF, the door isn't closed, there are other options.
What we do is we perform an automated matching between the results of a carrier test of the patient and the results of the carrier tests of the donors. So that way, the person that is doing the matching, which sometimes is a clinic, sometimes is a bank, can actually see if they are compatible genetically talking. So,
What difference does it make? Psychologically, it must be quite powerful to know.
yes. You know, facing these treatments that involves donors, we know it's hard, and what we would like is for you to use PhenoMatch so you can feel secure, know that the donor that they have chosen is the right donor for them.
I decided to set up Leave to provide support to patients as well as physicians, using patients' medical and lifestyle data, digested, if I may say, by algorithms, AI and rule-based, so that the physician can get error prevention and decision supporting tools. Always, however, the physician makes the final decision.
Today, it's just really nice to see colleagues in the sector. It gives us the opportunity to chat, to network, but actually to be with the people that need us.
I just signed up for a free consultation and I came along. I just arrived, so I managed to just visit a couple of stalls, and it's very impressive. I'm very happy.
Absolutely, I'll be here every year.
And yeah, it's been great. It's been a really lovely venue, and it's been lovely to see people in person again.
So it's been a hard work because so much detail has gone into it, because you're almost running 2 shows at the same time. Plus, you've got everybody in the theatres, as you say, interviewing. And yes, the show is literally being taken down behind us. But it's a wrap, as they would say.
It is a wrap.
It is a wrap.
Oh my goodness, what an emotional, amazing, incredible, inspirational weekend it's been.
Yeah.